So how to get ChatGPT Plus for free? Okay, and this video I will share you how to get ChatGPT Plus for free. Currently, you have seen that there is a free version, and I am in the free version. And now I will shift my free version to ChatGPT Plus for free of cost. Okay, so let's start today video. So if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, must subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video and press the bell icon. Okay, and now I go to the my profile section, and here I see the upgrade plan, and now you see that there is a free version, and here is the plus version, and now it's get with $0. So we can just click on the get plus section, and then we are coming to the checkout placement, and here you see that there is a zero payment without any subscription, and now we get the plus button, plus plan, and subscribe to the plus button, and you have the 1 month free trial for Google and ChatGPT Plus, sorry, and without any payment. And okay, you just add your payment credit or debit card, and you don't have any payment deduction from your card till the month end, and after the month, at the end of your month, you just remove it to your card, and then you have again use another card and get the another plus plan for free. Okay, so I'll fill the all of the below information and get my plus plan for free of cost.